Okay, I got myself a pre-owned Brew metric automatic. This is the PVD version and I got it pre-owned. I think it's quite a new watch. It's not old and I got it for, I would say, a decent price. And why did I get it pre-owned and not directly from Brew watches? Because I was always kind of skeptical with the 36mm case width and with that rectangular size. I love 36mm watches and I have quite a lot of them, to be frank. But, being a rectangular watch, it seems, I don't know, I have that fear that it will look bigger. So I did ordered a Brew Metric Lite, which is the 30mm version or 31mm version, which I couldn't recall. And I found it to be a little too small. So when I saw this listed in one of the pre-owned sites in Malaysia, pre-owned goods, not only for watches, I kind of like say, okay, yeah, since it's pre-owned and I can get it pretty quickly, why don't I give it a try? And yeah, here we are. I have resized the bracelet for my 6-inch wrist, and looking at the condition, the watch is quite decent. The condition is not bad, and I don't see if there's any major there is no major scratch on the watch, to be good. So I was a little surprised because I thought the black PVD version is all black. I didn't notice that it comes with a silver crown, but yeah, we shall see. So let's put it on the wrist and do a quick wrist shot then, because this is just a quick unboxing. Yeah, I think it's not overly big. I mean, it's okay, right? It fits. There's no lug overhang, to be honest, and yeah, it's not as big as I expected it to be. So I will be wearing this for a month or two and come back with my full thoughts about this watch. So if you're interested to know more, please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care, stay safe, bye bye. And it's raining heavily here. Goodbye.